everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. In the last video of our Binance Futures tutorial, we learned support and resistance zones and how can we apply them to our interface. In today's chapter, we will learn the Binance Futures calculator. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. Also, you can join our other social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram and Telegram in order to get every content that we share. If you're ready, let's start. You can access Binance Futures Calculator from the Futures interface by clicking on the little icon just below the information image. After clicking on it, the calculator will be opened and ready. Now, let's learn how to use it. First section is the P&L. In here, when you enter your account leverage, your entry price, exit price, and quantity, you will get the initial margin which you need to open this position, your P&L when you exit your position successfully, and your profit percentage. Let's say I've opened my position from $10,000 and I've exited my position from $12,000. And let's say I've opened this position with the quantity of 1 Bitcoin. Let's click on the calculate button, and as you can see, I need $3,333 as an initial margin, and when I close this position at this price level, I will have $2,000 of P&L and my profit percentage will be 60%. Also, you can do the same calculation if you are going to open a short position. All you have to do is to click on the short button and enter the same variables to the calculator. At this point, let's reverse the exit and entry prices. Let's say I've opened my position from $12,000 and I will exit my position at $10,000 and my quantity will be 1 Bitcoin. When I click on calculate button, as you can see, I need $4,000 of initial margin, my P&L will be $2,000 and my profit percentage will be 50%. Let's look at the target price section. If you know your entry price and you want a specific profit percentage, such as 10 or 20% or maybe higher, you may enter it right here and click on the calculate button. Let's make an example here. Let's say I've opened my position from $15,000 and I want 15% profit. Let's click on calculate. As you can see, the exit price which you need to close your position at appears on the screen. Remember, your account leverage highly affects your calculations. You need to set your leverage true if you want true data from your calculator. Also, do not forget that high leverage brings high risks. Watch our risk management tutorial through the link below at the descriptions if you didn't already. Now, let's jump to the liquidation price. If you don't know what is liquidation, you can watch our liquidation tutorial in order to learn it with its full detail. Because while trading futures with leverage, you need to be aware of the biggest risk, the liquidation. If you have watched it already, you can continue this video. If you didn't, please click on the tutorial link which is in the descriptions of this video. In here, you must choose your margin type first, which are cross and isolated. Let's select isolated for now. We learned what are cross and isolated, and also in the coming chapters we will dive deeper into them. After choosing your margin type, you must select your mode. One way or hedge mode. Classic mode is the one way, so if you didn't change any settings about your mode, you can keep it like that. In the coming chapters, we will learn what is hedge mode. Then you must enter your leverage, entry price, position quantity, and balance of your account. When you click on the calculate button, you will see your liquidation price, which is the crucial price level where you will be out of your margin and your position will be automatically closed without getting back your margin. Let's make an example for the liquidation price now. Let's say my leverage is 10x, my entry price is $25,000, my quantity is 1 Bitcoin, and my account balance is $10,000. And now I will click on the calculate button, and as you can see, my liquidation price is $15,060 US. This is how liquidation price works. And also you can make the same calculation from the short position. Let's say I've opened my short position from $25,000 with position quantity of 1 Bitcoin and my account balance is $10,000. When I click on calculate button, as you can see, my liquidation price will be $34,660 US. Now let's look at the next section. The max open section gives you the maximum quantity of a position which you can open. Let's say I have $1,000 and I want to open a position with 3x leverage. Let's make my leverage 3x and let's make my balance $1,000. Now I have to enter my entry price. Let's say it's $25,000. When I click on calculate button, as you can see, with this leverage level and with this balance, I can open a $3,000 position from the entry price, which is $25,000. And this is our maximum open. So this means with these variables, I can open a maximum of $3,000 position. And also you can change those settings too. Let's make it 5x. And as you can see, my maximum open will be $5,000. And the last section, open price. In this section, you can easily calculate your average price. Don't mind we are at the BTC USDT pair. Let's imagine we are calculating it with another pair to make it look simple. Let's say I bought 3 of this coin from $2. You will enter your entry price here and your quantity here. And then you will click on add position. Now I will open my second position. Let's imagine after I bought it, it went up and I bought 2 more from $3. Then it dropped to 2.60 and I bought 1 more from here. After adding them, I will click on the calculate button and as you can see, my average price showed up on my screen, which is $2.43. This is the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.